back at Lucky Riches here at Peppermount, trying to get a good train on Eureka Treasure Train. My first couple goes in the game weren't too good, but that was Huff and Puff 2 did the same to me. We're gonna do the $6 bet on dollars. I hope I don't regret it. We might change denominations. Oh, yes. Now, we don't get the double. We do not get the double because there's no gold dynamite. But I'm just happy to get something. Let's get the grand available. Fill up the screen. Now, if you watched my other video when I played this, you'll know I couldn't even get the mini train. I mean, I qualified for the mini and minor. Ooh, look, the major's available. But it's never in there. What's up with that? The grand is available. What do we think? Will that happen? I doubt it. I couldn't even get a mini train. Oh my gosh, we got a full screen. That is a beautiful. That is gorgeous, but you know, it's never there, so we'll see. Wasn't one progressive in there. We did get almost 500, but there wasn't one progressive win. I don't know. I'm not sure I like Eureka Treasure Train. Even though that's my best win so far, almost a big win. But we've seen the irregular Eureka Real Blast, and when you get a full screen, you at least get something a little better than this. However, it was a beautiful train, wasn't it? And we had 60 carts. But those $1 and $2 carts were sort of sucky. What do you think? You tell me what you think of this when you get a full screen. I don't know what to tell you. It came quick. It gave me a good win. But to be grand eligible and not even get a mini? Maybe the minis and the majors and the minors aren't in there like they are if we were playing a regular Eureka Blast. Heaven forbid I should read the rules, right? We'll give it another spin or two. Yes, I would love one more dynamite feature with the gold for the double. Okay, I'm gonna cash out. We may be back later, I don't know. I was so disappointed with my full train that I need time out. Anyway, let me know what you think of this bonus. I know when I first showed you Eureka Treasure Train, a lot of you didn't like it. I don't know if this will make you like it any better. Cheers and good luck. Atlantis, and I have my lucky ticket in there where I won in another game or two. And I'll do max bet of $10. I'm not going to play my whole lucky ticket through, but if it's lucky, we'll get a bonus real quick. If it's not, we'll be cashing out real quick. How about some keys to riches or 3 rows of wilds of Mrs. Got Rocks? Oh my gosh, we got the bonus. I love 30 spins on a $10 bet, but it's all about those wilds. You need to wild me up. Come on, wilds. So many wilds. This is why you need lots of spins. So far we have a 0 bonus. Oh there, we finally got something. Come on, Stinkin' Rich. I need the rich part, not the stinkin'. Wow, 10 spins and all we made was $12 on a $10 bet. I hope it's saving up for something fabulous here. That's better. That's better, thank you, 115. Now, next time I need the 3 rows of wilds with the characters. Preferably Mrs. Got Rocks, because I like her. We have 17 spins left. Come on, let's do it. Let's get that going. It's thinking. Are we going to give her any more wilds? Give her any more wins? Keep hitting the button, nothing's happening. And so we gave her a win, we're shocked. Seriously. Come on. Okay, 15 spins left. 80's good. Oh, Mrs. Got Rocks, if only. If only we had had wilds. We only had a few of them, not enough. 11 spins left. I'm waiting for that big, huge win now. Oh, darn it, our wilds weren't in the right place. I'm not kidding. We need the 3 rows of the wilds. 3 long rows. Come on. Rich, not stinking. And 3 spins left. Want a retrigger? Want a retrigger? I'll take more free spins. Oh, I thought I was going to retrigger. Darn it. Okay, at least we got something at the end there. Nice bonus, 330, and it came really quick on my Lucky $1,000 ticket. Thank you, Stinkin' Rich. It's fun. And we are going to do one last spin and then run away with our winnings. No! We will keep spinning till we lose. Let me... Okay, that didn't take long. Okay, I put in 1,000. We're cashing out with 1,293. Love it. Have fun, everybody. Ching. That's what I want to hear. I want to see blast and pop and whoosh. Let's have some fun. You know, you can pick up here.
Enjoy.
And I can do like this. But I prefer to do it down here, so that's where I'm going to do it. I need some lucky boxes. Where are you? Those aren't lucky. That was lucky.
Cha-ching.
Oh, that was a cha-ching. Thank you. I need more cha-chings. Nice. Okay. Maybe I'll try a $10 box here. A few viewers have been confused about how cha-ching works. Basically, what you're doing when you're choosing the boxes on the screen or down below where I was usually doing it, it's like a spin, except you don't have the reels or anything moving. It's just showing you what you would have won or lost. Fun in the money usually is. Uh-oh. Come on, green boxes. There must be some, ooh, something good, yeah.
Cha-ching.
Cha-ching, more cha-chings. We want the fun of a pop or something, come on.
Cha-ching.
Nice. Come on, cha-ching, where are you? Okay, let's try orange again. Come on, go off. No? Ooh, what a nice one.
Cha-ching.
Cha-ching, that was a cha-ching. Blast, we got a blast.
It's the blast.
Now,
bonus.
give me a big, big, big number. Don't take away all my big numbers. Yeah, meanie. Oh, it gave me some good ones. Didn't take away my $100 one. Thank you. Beautiful. Cha-ching.
Cha-ching.
Okay, what did I put in? 200 and we're winning. Let's keep winning. I want a pop bonus and a whoosh. Oh, pop, you didn't go off. We got blast again. How about that?
It's the blast bonus.
Dude, leave me another big number like you did last time. Oh, I was hoping to get that 400. Still pretty nice. Blast is a big tease, isn't it? Pretty good.
Cha-ching.
Cha-ching me to a pop and a whoosh. Come on. Don't make me go to green. I might leave you for green boxes. Okay, we're gonna try a 10 again. Oh, darn you, you are a big tease. Back to 5. That was better. Those are always fun. I really like that feature. Ooh, nice. That was a good one. Let's try a 6, and a 7, and a 10. Darn you, you didn't go off. Well, we're losing a lot of money again. That's not fun. Should we go to the green boxes? Unless you keep getting those, it's hard to stay ahead. I'm giving all my winnings back. Shame on me. Thank you. I need more big ones. Well, I wonder if we're going to get another blast. I want to get something up there. We're going to try green at $3 briefly. Come on, green. Okay. We need our bonuses to pop. Now that's it for green. Let's go back to orange. Cha-ching, you're taking back all my winnings. Stop that. Give me a pop. Or a whoosh. Well, there go all my winnings, right? We are losing money now. That's not fun. Well, I needed that desperately. Thank you. Now some more cha-chings, please. I wish we could get pop. You know, I'm gonna give it one more 100 for a total of 300. I should have stopped when I was ahead, but I didn't. We just can't get any of those to go off. Pop, thank you. We finally got pop.
It's the pop bonus.
It needs to be a really good pop bonus. Okay, we need to land on 3 plays. I need 3 plays. Well, that was nice. I need the arrow with the 3 plays, right? Uh-oh, last one. Oh, if it only had gone to the 3 plays, right? That was a nice pop, though. Thank you.
Ching.
Well, Well, let's see if we can get all my 300 back. Yeah, I'm looking to break even. Well, actually, I'm looking to win, but... I'd like another pop. I'd like a big win. We got blast, yay! Save me, blast. Give me a huge number, blast. Come on. Show us you can give us a hand pay. Uh-oh, it took away all my good numbers. Oh, we got a $45.79 in there. Thank you. Nice. Okay.
Cha-ching!
Cha-ching. Hey, I might get my money back if I'm lucky. Come on. How about you give me whoosh? Oh, beautiful.
Cha-ching!
Cha-ching. Whoosh does not want to go off. What's up with that? I want to spin that wheel. Well, beautiful.
Cha-ching!
I almost have my 300 back I put in. But we want to win. We want a big win. Blast! Come on,
The
Blast.
blast bonus.
You can do it. Big, big numbers. That's nice. Thank you.
Cha-ching!
So if I stop right now, I'd be a winner of $59. But you know what? Yeah, I'm pushing my luck. Probably not too smart. You got something fabulous in there for me so I can be a bigger winner? Uh-oh, now I'm a loser again. I'm staying too long at the party, right? Whoosh, we got it finally.
It's the whoosh bonus.
Okay, big, big win. Hey, 250 is great. Thank you. Cha-ching!
Cha-ching!
Okay, well, we're going to play it to 500 and I can cash out a $200 winner. But just in case, do you have one more box? It's a really good one for me. Oh, I went below it. Oh well, that's where I'm stopping. 569. We had all the bonuses. I had fun. I get to cash out a winner finally. Whoopee! Good luck, everybody.